is a cybercrime exactly?
The law did not define exactly what is the cybercrime. Any breach of privacy, illegal access to the information, misusing the information, might be used and defined as a cybercrime.
Okay, so let me give you an example. Say, for instance, Peter always buys his groceries in a supermarket with a credit card. And now he decides this week to go and buy his groceries online in a supermarket using his credit card. However, 2 weeks later, he does notice that transactions have been placed on his credit card that he hasn't authorized. Is that a cybercrime? And if so, how can he claim this money back?
If the credit card information were sourced through the internet and somebody then used it to get the credit card, the money from the credit card through internet, we can define that we have a cybercrime. First action he has to do is to go to the bank, stop using the credit card, then reporting to the police about the credit card theft. Third step he has to do, he can file a case against the insurance company if he has insurance policy cover such crimes, and against the thief who stole his money using the internet or the online communication.
Okay, great. And what is the punishment for cybercrime in the UAE? Is it quite a high risk?
Worst case scenario, the highest potential sentence might be jailed, 1 million dirham fine, and deportation.
Great. So no cyber hacking. On top of that is having a VPN, a virtual private network. Is that a cybercrime in the UAE?
Yes, it's breach of UAE laws and might be defined as a cybercrime.
If someone steals my domain, what are the steps that I can take to get it back?
First, you would be always, if you have doubts or you want to protect your domain, we always recommend the client to register his domain as a trademark. Mm-hmm. Second point, he can file, if in case the domain has been stolen, he has the right, the victim has the right to apply for criminal case against the thief for cybercrime, followed by civil case through the civil courts. In some cases, the person who breached the law wouldn't be based here. So we would recommend the client to apply for a case through international organization like Weibo to claim his domain back.
So in terms of identity theft, can you give some legal advice to viewers on how to keep safe online?
Always, if you received email from somebody and you had doubts that he is the same person or not, check the source of your email. It's coming from his country or from different country. You have to check if he is requesting from you to send some money somewhere, who is the beneficiary? Because this beneficiary will be the owner of the real name. And in case there is breach, your case could be filed only against the beneficiary of the bank account who receive actually your money. Check the contact details and content of the email online, if it's defined as a scam or not, the domain of the email and the email ID, telephone numbers. And don't deal with people on base of just dreams. Last point I could advise, or I can find it sometimes useful, is to appoint a third lawyer, appointed only by you, just to investigate this transaction and advise, is it legitimate, it's possible or not.